How to increase the security of your password on iPhone. Hello everyone and welcome to the new video. In today's video, I will show you how you can increase the security of your iPhone password. The iPhone, like other phones, is secured with a password. This, with the help of Face ID or Touch ID, makes our device safe. However, what if someone knows our password and wants to change it? This is a problem that you can solve very easily. How? Open the settings on your phone. When the settings open, find the screen time section and tap on it. Here we will select the content and privacy restriction option from the many options. We will make more changes here. The first is that we will activate the slider for the content and privacy restriction option. The second is to find the option called passcode changes in the list of options and tap on it. Here we will select the don't allow option and thus prevent the current passcode from being changed. Of course, whenever we need this option, we can turn it on. That's what this video is about. In this way, you can secure your phone even if someone knows your current code. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.